Hi there, it's Lynn Bead Fairy 1 here. This is wedding dress number 2, and this one too is a stunner. Right, let's start off with the bodice. I'll try not to. Right, so there's the neckline, and all these flowers are just pearls. On the shoulders they've got these roses, and let's do the sleeves this side, coming down the sleeves as well. These, and I've had a look, and it should unpick well. Right, I'm just gonna sit on the bed a minute. Right, this is the front of the dress. So a nice panel there, appliques. They stop here. This is the last one on the side. The hem, sorry, is gorgeous. Now, some of the sequins are looking yellow. I'm not sure whether it's some to do with aging, or if they're meant to be gold, because there are definitely white sequins in there as well. But I think it might be due down to a bit of aging. Because I don't think they're Aurora Borealis. I just think they're just plain clear sequins. So that's what the sequins are like. I mean, if you look at the sleeve here, they are definitely clear. So right, I'm just going to pause it, and I'll try and pause it this time while I put it on the bed and show you the rest of it. Right, so back again.